Yay, warm weather is finally here. And with the warm weather comes planting flowers and the much needed yard work. But I love projects and watching all my flowers with all their wonderful colors come alive.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth, and good will come to you. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. Grounded, steady, earth between your toes, arms wide, ready, love is true, you know. Come on, you can follow, piece by piece, thriving in your bones. Home, sweet home. Together or alone. Build your home. You are your home.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like